Scoobs, and I hope my kitchen tips make you a better cook. Today we're in Jamaica making their national dish, ackee and saltfish. Start by seasoning your tilapia with Jamaican rum, salt, and pepper. Then sear in an oiled pan until golden brown. In a separate pan, whisk and scramble your eggs. Serve the fish over the eggs and top with banana slices, green onions, and Jamaican oregano.
Why? Me teddy bear. It was them thing I'm can't take it. I'm not laughing. Disrespect this in it, brother. Chef Scoops. You disrespect me in so many ways, youth. And them ripe banana and them thing them G. And that are the fish we use, brother. And when I use the egg.
Scoobs, and